Limestone Factories of Estonia has been extracting and processing limestone since 1959, firmly maintaining its position as the largest producer of filling materials and the leading producer of decorative stones in Estonia. We mine stone from our own quarries in Kaarma and Selgase in Saaremaa and in Orgita and Tallinn on the mainland of Estonia. The range of materials includes outstanding dolomite and limestone. In 2022, the company gained significant momentum when crushed limestone producer Paekivitoodete Tehas and decorative stone producer Reval Stone merged under the Limestone Factories of Estonia name. Thanks to our engineers' creativity, we've achieved a completely residue-free production cycle, upcycling all extracted minerals to a high standard.
Can you describe the opportunities of this machine CMS?
It's the most capable machine we have. It has 5 axes plus 4 rotating axes. It's possible to do every kind of details with it in both big and small sizes. We also have the capability of 3D scanning, so we can copy already existing details.
With our CNC bench and 3D models, detailed products are made exactly to the customer's specifications. Can you describe what this machine does?
This machine from CMS as well, name is Speed. It's a bit smaller than our G-Rex machine. It's 3 axes. We use it for more specialized work like kitchen countertops, where precision is very important. This machine saves us a lot of time, as the product that comes from the machine is already almost near the end product.
Under the Reval Stone brand, we manufacture and market finishing materials and furnishing products made of stone. One of the important business activities of Limestone Factories of Estonia is the refining of domestic natural stone. Today, Estonian Dolomite and limestone are still used in the construction of building, mainly as wall and floor tiles, and in interior design, for example, for staircases and fireplaces. In addition, modern production and finishing technologies allow the even more versatile use of stone. Each year, we invest significantly in new technology to improve efficiency and align with the rapidly evolving green transition requirements. Our core values remain rooted in social responsibility, environmental sustainability, and a commitment to innovation. Our strengths are high-quality raw materials, long experience, and flexibility to accept special orders and different volumes starting from a single window sill-up to thousands of square meters of tiles. We have worked on a large number of prestigious projects in the Baltic states, and our products are particularly appreciated in the Nordic countries, where they fit in well with the minimalistic style. Standard products of Reval Stone can be viewed and conveniently ordered from our e-shop. In case of special solutions, our specialists will help you find a suitable solution.